YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out so they can ship this to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look inside, guys, and let's see what it is. Oh, baby. Here we go. Now we have here... Ooh. Alright, these are nice. Coming from... UEY. Oh, I can't even pronounce this one. It'll be in the description and in the title, but it's like that one. So definitely check them out, though. See what other ones they have to offer besides this. LED solar pathway lights 8-pack. Whoa! All right, you can do your whole backyard. Powered by the sun, solar, all weather. Easy to install, auto on and off switch. Alright, let's get it working. Should be an easy one to set up today. Oh boy. Got the manual solar garden light. And let's take a look at, I got some weight to it, probably because of the solar panel. Make sure this glass. Pretty thick though. Here's the solar. Ah, that's nice. A little solar panel. It does look good though. Here's the switch. Ah, it's a light strip. Alright. Turn that on. Let's take these all out first. Oh, you guys saw where the light switch is. That was pretty simple. So it should be like that for the rest of the 7. We got some of these for the ground. We got another set down here. Oh, come on. Don't be shy. This should be an easy one to set up, though. These, like a lot of them to set up. See what those two together. It'll be all right. All that switching. Waterproof, ready to go. Should have enough juice to turn on. Let's take these all out of the bag first. But still daylight, so I might have to run this downstairs and then maybe in another video later tonight, or I'll figure out something to do. Yeah, these are nice though. See, that kind of works. Oh, it kind of reflects. See the box? It's like a disco ball. That's pretty cool. But we'll tell. Maybe take it downstairs. Right now, like I said, it's still really early on the East Coast. And then, not sure. These are nice. I'm liking these a lot. Not no cheap plastic. So I don't want to break it. Jeez, that was close. Even my globe spin. What's going on here today? There we go. All right, guys. See. So make sure you take off the protection top of the solar. You got a lineup right there. 3, 5, 6. Is there 7 or 2? No, there's 8. Okay. 2, 6, 8. We got them. Got these bad boys out. There we go. Those right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 of them. There is 8. Okay. Should be easy peasy. Going in like this. Aha. There's the stake. And just switch it, put it on this way. I think. There we go. Now we got the extendo. And make sure you peel these off. Like so. Throw away the wrapper and hit the switch. Bada boom. And it's good to go. See how easy that was, guys? New homeowners, old homers, this would be a good thing to have. Maybe your outdoor barbecues, parties. What's our next holiday? Halloween. I would say that's kind of holiday-ish. Remember, all you gotta do, see this? It looks like this. Steaks right there. Bam, bam. Careful, might be a little, not too bad, but, you know, you never know. Depends how sensitive your skin is. Okay, just shove it in the hole. Like that. Pop this in here. Look at that light though, that's cool. How it, like I said, like a disco ball or a crystal. There we go. So we got toe done. This might be a little extended video, so sorry about that, but this is where, yeah, hear that? Sounds like glass, so be careful. We got the light on. There you go. And pop it in. Easy peasy. Switch. Pop. And lock. Stop, drop, and lock. Or whatever it goes. Put it in there. Alright. So 3 down. Put this one in since it's already set up. Move a little faster. Alright, alright. But like I said, I have so many source lights outside. Not sure where I'm going to stick this though. Well, you could adjust it, but I'm not. I'm going to keep it as is because that's pretty tall. Switch, pop, lock, flip. Oh, come on, get in there. Or maybe you could put it in cemeteries, plots, you know, for the ones that passed away. I know I got a few family members that are buried in ground, but a lot of it's still in those other things. But maybe like a landmarker you could use so you can know where it is. And switch. That's good. Look at how the ground looks. It has those like really cool. I got 2 more to go. Sorry about the long video. But like I said, these are really cool to have. Nice little discussion piece about your home, neighbors. I noticed my neighbors are starting getting into them ever since I've been putting them out in my area. So, hey, it looks good for your house. And you can't go wrong with extra lighting sometimes. And plus, it kind of scares away the critters at night. Bada boom. A lot of critters won't come through. There's a lot of lights on, so like possums and stuff like that, you know. Those guys. Here we go. So I mean, yeah, that's good length. And then last and final one, guys. And then, like I said, I'll take this downstairs and show you guys with the lights. Not drinking glass, but really cool. Reminds me of those McDonald's mugs they used to give away, like with the Batman and stuff like that. The Batman. There we go. And the final one, we just take, flip, pop and lock, and drop. Okay. Pop. Come on. Get in your hole. It's always the last one. But that's what it looks like when you all put it together. Everything's working perfectly. We got the lights. We got the lights. And then there we go. I'll be right back. Here we go, guys. A little bit better. More room to show what they look like. See, my dog's still there. And really cool. And now we're gonna go downstairs. Alrighty. Alright guys, here we go. This is what it looks like downstairs. Still got some light, but this is what I got right now. I mean, it's still pretty dark. You guys can see the colors. And like I said, probably on my Instagram or TikTok, I'll be posting them when I get them set up outside. But for now, check them out. Really cool. Solar pathway lights. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.